The cables are long enough so this will actually go inside the vehicle with you, right? Alright, so plug this in. Alright, that's plugged in to the positive. I'm going to jiggle it around, make sure we're getting a good bite through that paint that I got on those terminals to do it. Alright, that's connected, just like the negative battery terminal disconnected. Got to put that, might make it a little easier, but let me see what I can do. There. See, I got the belt off. Now, if I'm careful about the way I let that belt lay, I won't have any trouble putting it back on without any new shiny ratchet. And gotta hold that. Don't want to get too rough with that. And screw that off of there. Now there's another wire down here. This wire connects to the stator and it tells the regulator if the alternator is putting out like it should. Alright, I'm going to have to take that loose, get this out of the way. Tool here, break it loose. There's the bolt number 2. They're all the same length on this. Okay, everything is disconnected from the alternator. And now this is the Motorcraft alternator. And the one that I got from Car Parts is also a Motorcraft alternator. Here we are unpacking it for the first time. Oh, it's a box within a box. And look. It requires a core deposit. I suppose I'm going to have to get that boxed up and sent back. Remanufactured. All right. I've still got that Craftsman ratchet down there, and I pull this up so that it's in all the grooves all over the place like it's supposed to be. And then I'm gonna push down on that. I got that on there just like it's. Alright, plug that back in and reattach that PCV closure hose. Alright, now that battery's got to be reconnected. And there's the new alternator, just coming right along. Looks really good.